As the sun rises over the sprawling city of Cincinnati, with a population of nearing 300,000, I'm waking to start my day in my neighborhood, a nearby suburb. It seems to me since leaving my life of full-time RVing that around the house there are always projects and tasks to accomplish in order to reach some level of self-sufficiency and in turn blissful domestic harmony, which I really hope to achieve one day. My first task on this particular morning is to continue a chicken coop that I am building from free pallets that I picked up the day before. These pallets, besides being a great price, also are easily used to erect quick, sturdy framework for my planned chicken coop. But for what is saved in the cost of material is spent in time and effort it takes to deconstruct and ready the pallets for use in your project. At times, Walden or Colleen will ask me what I am doing if I'm just sitting and looking at my project and not working on it. I, at first jokingly, in the style of Robin Williams in Dead Poets Society, have them cup their ears and put my fingers to my lips for quiet and say, "Listen, the wood is talking to me, telling me what it wants to be made into." But I've come to find that what I said in jest is more true than I at first gave credence. I have been building so long from discarded, damaged, and reclaimed wood that I collect because it's free or nearly free, that my designs come more from what I have on hand than from what I can plan and build using materials that I would have to purchase new for the job that needs done. It's like going into the kitchen and opening the cabinets a few days before you go grocery shopping and making what you can from what you find. It's not the meal you would have planned, but sometimes it's even more delicious. I think that some of the things that I have built, of which I'm most proud, are happy accidents of the material that I had on hand. The coop on which I am working, as you can see, I'm dry fitting in the driveway. I'll be building it on posts about 3 feet off the ground when I do a permanent build. I will also be building a wire chicken run to protect the chickens from predators, as well as a structure to hold our meat rabbits. Now, I'm not sure what wild predators I will have to deal with here in the suburbs, but I did see a neighbor's cat carrying a wild bunny out of the woods beside our house, so I figure better to err on the side of caution and make sure the chickens and bunnies are safe and sound. I break up the day and try to turn some of the soil in the place that we've cleared, mostly Raquel and my mother-in-law, which I call Mother, her name's Mila, have cleared for our raised bed kitchen garden. The trees that you see growing all around have dense root system that doesn't lend itself well to turning the sod, and is also full of stones, and it's mostly clay. This combination prompted us to try our hand at raised bed gardening, at least initially. Part of the way through the day I get out my chainsaw for some further clearing of the downed trees and brush, but decide to take a few minutes to enjoy my coffee and have a little break before getting to the job. After a time of clearing, I decide to walk around the property and down to the small creek at the back. I've never really been back here, but I can see now that it was used as a trash receptacle. Just another task to add to the myriad of tasks to accomplish in the future. I decided to stop and look under a rock, thinking what life may be here in our little creek, but maybe it's still a little too early in the season. But even in the midst of man's apparent lack of respect for nature, it still finds us worthy to give us a gift. I hope that I can convey that to my kids. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching our new video. Check out our old videos, leave a comment, and please subscribe. Share this on social media. We appreciate it. From your family, Modigazzi, the Browns.